You know the scene. You walk across your living room in black socks, look down, and realize you've grown a second skin made entirely of dog hair. Welcome to shedding season 2026. It is the time of year when our beloved pets turn our homes into a furnado. Most robot vacuums are built for dust, not pet hair. Traditional bristle brushes act like Velcro, getting choked by fur until you have to cut it out with scissors. That's why you need a specialized tool. Today, we're looking at the top 3 robot vacuums that actually handle the mess. First up is the best value king, the Shark AI Ultra. Why do pet owners love it? 2 words: bagless, self-empty. You don't have to keep buying expensive replacement bags. Its specialized brush roll uses silicone fins to dig deep into carpets and prevent hair wrap before it starts. It's the ultimate set and forget helper for budget-conscious homes. Next is the smartest choice, the Roomba J7 Plus. If your pet is prone to leaving surprises on the floor, this is the only vacuum for you. With its POOP promise, it uses advanced AI cameras to avoid pet waste and toys. Plus, its patented dual multi-surface rubber brushes are the gold standard for resisting long hair tangles. Finally, the suction powerhouse, the Roborock Q5 Pro Plus. With a massive 5,500 paw suction and the Duroller brush system, it pulls dander and fur from the deepest rug fibers. It even includes a basic mopping function for those muddy paw prints. It's a beast for homes with heavy shedders like Huskies or German Shepherds. When shopping this season, remember, ignore the bristles, look for rubber rollers, and always choose a self-emptying base. Your time is too valuable to spend it cleaning your vacuum cleaner. Don't let shedding season win. Check out our full, detailed review and get the latest discount links in the description below. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews. Happy cleaning!